here is Genron vehicle tanker trailer shows here. Welcome to see our fuel tank semi-trailers, aluminum material, carbon steel materials, and stainless steel materials. All you wanted is here already. Come here to choose your trailers. Now we give you special technical support and shipping support and your training for your market. Come here to choose your orders. Will be not disappointed anytime. You see here many African boss choose here already. So don't hesitate. Come here to choose your tank trailers, semi-trailers, fuel tank trailers, oil fuel tank trailers, gasoline, all kinds of liquid and all kinds of materials for tankers is here already.